So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view data and privacy in Gmail. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Gmail app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Gmail account, and you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on manage your Google account, which is available on the upper bottom of your screen. Now scroll down below and you can simply see the option of data and privacy, so tap on it. Then here is your all data, your activity and everything. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.